Whenever you're creating and scheduling a campaign, you usually want to start with a small number of people. We really don't recommend doing it for big numbers of people like 500 prospects at once. We've actually tested, and people who, instead of scheduling huge batches of prospects, decide to do it more often, like twice or 3 times a week, usually receive 3.5 times better results. Thanks to scheduling prospects in smaller batches, you really can handpick all of them, rethink if they are really a part of your targeted audience, and make some changes if needed. Today, I'll show you how easy and quickly you can add more prospects into your running campaigns. We can start with the process on the campaigns page. We'll have to click into Prospecting tab and switch from the summary. All the prospects on the list will be the exactly same prospects that were visible on the list while you were creating a campaign. On the prospecting page, you'll be able to see the list of the prospects from your target. The number in new contacts is the number of people available on the list below for the review. You can also see the number of people you've accepted, rejected, or blacklisted. You can easily add more people to the list, review them, based on the number of estimates available just in the middle. To do so, just click Generate More Prospects button. I would recommend adding them in batches of 50 prospects. Right now, I'll go ahead and select a few contacts, but to make sure I'll be reaching out to relevant people, I'll also check their LinkedIn and website. By going through the list, I can see some people I'm not really interested in. My default target was marketing directors, but I can see some head of products. So I'll go back to the target tab and I'll go ahead and exclude the head of product in the job position filter on the people page. After the changes, I'll go back to the prospecting step and go through the list of newly updated target. As I've accepted 5 prospects, I can go ahead and add them to the campaign. I have to click into Schedule 5 Selected, and the application will automatically guide me through the 3 last steps of the campaign. On the Review Custom Fields step, it's important to review the fields to make them look as natural as possible. In this case, I'll be changing mainly the job position name of the prospects, as they are pretty long and won't look natural in the message. The next step is email account, where I can pick which email I'd like to use to schedule those prospects. And I'll also schedule the campaign for the future, just for the purpose of this video. The last step, Preview and Schedule, show me how the emails look, and if I'm happy with that, I can just click Launch Campaign.